This is code.org. Alright, what do we got? CSS and text color. This HTML file uses a style sheet, style.css. What's that scary word? What's this scary thing? Right here, style.css. Style.css is where, well, we have the styles. To give the particular page a particular style, the style sheet contains information about what each of the HTML elements should look like. Yep, so if that's not making sense, let's see. Find the code in the style sheet, click on style.css. That is making the H1 heading red. Change the code for the color of the H1 red to a different. This is going to be saved across, so we'll keep seeing this. All right, so here's the HTML, right? Cool, we got HTML, right? There's another file over here. It's called style.css. Now, if you were looking at, say, the desktop of your computer and you downloaded these two, these would be two separate icons. They're two separate files. This is just online, but they're right here. Two separate things. HTML gets its styles from the CSS file. Why? Well, on line 4 here, in between the head and the head tag, we're finally using that. Everything we've written so far was between body and the closing body tag, is the style sheet. So, hey, we are going to use the style sheet, and this tells it the file name to look for, style.css. The computer says, what in the world? Oh, smack. Here it is. Oh, what am I going to do? Oh, H1 tags. Well, what is world records? H1? Oh, so what color will that be? I don't know. I can change mine to blue. Pretty cool. Done and done. Onward.